at Eden Brothers, we have several thousand seed varieties of flowers and vegetables. But there's one group that remains our #1 bestseller when it comes to vegetables. And it's the one our customers consider our biggest bargain, since it saves you 34% compared to buying each packet separately. Yes, it's a whopping 32 packets of all the favorites, the ones that have been favorites for years and years. No hybrid or genetically modified varieties. Well stored in a dark, cool place, these seeds will last for years, and then when planted, can themselves be harvested for more planting years. It's a whole vegetable garden in one big pack, and here's what's included. Arugula, bean seeds, beet seeds, broccoli seeds, Brussels sprouts, collard seeds, mustard seeds, okra seeds, parsnip, pea, bell pepper, spinach seeds, squash seeds, Swiss chard, tomato, and watermelon, amongst many others. Here's what some of our customers have written about our heirloom vegetable seed vault. Nancy M. wrote us, "I ordered this collection a first time in February and was so impressed with the deal that I decided to buy 2 more to offer to friends and family. The second shipment arrived, and the packaging has been completely updated in the meantime. Packets are beautiful and really practical now. Everything has an image, description, and planting directions. I planted most of the varieties, and so far I am very happy with everything. Definitely will be a staple for years to come in this family. What a deal!" And Kenneth Y. wrote, "Just what I was searching for, and now can't wait for spring to get them in the ground." You'll feel the same way when you order our exclusive Heirloom Seed Vault vegetables. 30 best-selling heirloom packets for just $52.95. That's just $177 per packet for the best of the best. I'm Eric Allen, inviting you to visit Eden Brothers for your own Seed Vault heirloom collection.